a fight between thermonuclear Godzilla and evolved Godzilla. The answer is Godzilla. But for some real talk, I've actually been going back and forth between this one myself. At first, I was like, there's no way. It's got to be thermonuclear Godzilla, right? Just because he was radiating radiation at a clip that was literally burning buildings and metal just by being near it. And I mean, also, thermonuclear is basically just burning Godzilla for the monsterverse. So there's that factor that played into it for me. And I mean, just taking a look at thermonuclear Godzilla, who's stopping that shit? Besides himself, well, himself evolved. And I mean, sure, the novelization itself helps support that evolved Godzilla is also stronger by basically saying that he can hold 20 times the amount of energy that he was holding as thermonuclear, which I feel like is kind of cheating because whatever. But I think the simplest way to boil down this one-on-one is by saying that this is Godzilla that can't control his radiation, and this is the Godzilla that can. The question we need to be asking is, what happens if evolved Godzilla goes thermonuclear? The end of the fucking world. That actually might be how they end the monsterverse. I mean, if these two get into a one-on-one fight, like, my first thought is, could this Godzilla just absorb this Godzilla's radiation? Given the fact that this is what Godzilla Evolved was doing throughout the entire movie. Killing Scylla, taking her power, taking all of France's radiation, and then killing Tiamat, who Tiamat herself had evolved, and finally evolving. I mean, I feel like another thing that doesn't help its case is that this supposed strongest version of Godzilla got two-pieced by Kong and almost got killed by Kong. So I can see why there's a fight back and forth. But at the end of the day, who wins between thermonuclear Godzilla and evolved Godzilla? I'm putting my money on Godzilla.